Hello KA and KB, this is Mrs. Rarg. I would like to play a CVC activity with you guys today. So in order to play along with me, you are going to need something to write on and something to write with. So since I'm in our classroom right now, I have a whiteboard and an expo marker. If that's something that you have at your house, you could grab that. If that is not something that you have at your house, you could get a piece of paper and a pencil. That way you are able to follow along and play with us. I would encourage you to pause the video to go get that, and then when you have those items, press play on our video so you can follow along with us as we go. Okay, to get started, I'm going to make sure that my board or my piece of paper in front of me is clear. Here we go. Now it's a spring CVC activity, so this is something that I would have up in our classroom for a Write the Room activity, and this would be the number 1 on our Write the Room activity. But we are going to be doing CVC words, and it's only going to be looking at the picture that's inside the flower. So remember, a CVC word is going to be a consonant, vowel, consonant word. It's going to be 3 letters. It's going to have a consonant first, then a vowel, and a consonant at the end. Okay, so keep that in mind as we go through our activity. This first word is fan. Fan. I'm going to encourage you to try and write the word before I write the word. Okay? Fan. Okay. An. If you look, an is a word family that we had worked on in KA before. So an is a popular ending that we can change that an to a lot of different words. If we have a C, then we have an. That word is can. If we have a T, an. That word is an. If we have an R, an, that word is ran. Very good. And all of those have that an. So all 4 of those words are in the an family, right? All right, so that word number 1 was for fan. Very good. Now also remember, when we do our CVCs, we are always writing with lowercase letters. So for that one, I shouldn't see a capital F-A-N or F-A-N. That would be silly. We want to make sure all of our letters are lowercase letters and writing with our best handwriting. All right. Now let's go ahead and move on to our next one. Remember, we're looking at the flower, and inside the flower is a picture of a fox. Try and write the word fox. 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 Is that what you had? I hope so. Fox. All right, let's go to our next one. Ooh, this shirt is wet. Wet. Also, her boots are wet in the rain, too. Wet. 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 Okay, let's go to the next one. All right, so if we look at this, there's a pig, but that's not what it's pointing to. It's pointing to this right here, which I would call mud. Mud. Can you write mud? D. mud. Now, just for fun, since I think we are ready to do something like this, I want you to write, the pig is in mud. I think that is a sentence that all of us could practice writing. The pig is in mud. So the is one of our sight words, but when we start a sentence with it, we're going to make sure that we have the capital T. The pig is in mud. Are we done? Not yet, because we need punctuation. The pig is in mud. That's exactly what this picture is showing us. Awesome job. All right, let's go to our next picture. Our next picture, ooh, that looks like a dolphin's fin. Fin. Let's write fin. Fin. Now remember, when we have our eye, make sure you're only doing a tiny dot. We don't want a big filled in circle, okay? Just a tiny dot. Fin. Right, let's go to our next one. This is a picture of 3 men. Men. Try and write men. Men. Awesome job. Men. That one was stuck together. All right, let's go to our next one. This, you know what? Miss Erica came to our classrooms and she let us try some snap peas. And inside our snap peas, it looked like this. It was a pod. They call it a pod. So let's go ahead and write pod. Oops. Need to make sure that I have a space, a little tiny space in between that letter. Odd. There we go. Pod. Okay, our next one. Oh no. This man right here, he's crying. But crying, remember, is not a CVC word. We have to think of a CVC word that this guy is. So I have seen sob, and I've also seen sad. So either one would be okay. So you either write sad or sob. I'm going to write sad first. Sad. And then I'm going to write sob. 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 Either way. All right, our next one is a number word. This word is going to be the number 10. N. Can you write the word 10? Remember, all lowercase. N. 10. Nice job. All right. Our last one today is going to be a mat. So this, again, has kind of two options. You could either put mat or you could choose rug. Okay, I am going to choose mat. Let's write mat. Mat. Now, just for fun, AT is a good two-letter combination to work on word families with. Can you think of 5 other words that end in at to write? I'll give you a little bit. Try and think of 5 other words that you can come up with that end in AT. All right. You say cat, rat, hat, bat, and I'll do sat. Did you guys come up with any ones that were different than mine? I'm sure that you did. Thank you so much for playing along with me today. I hope you enjoyed it.